session team. Today we have team. Uh, Today we have again a portion of read aloud because we are in the portion of PEF day 2. Clear? Okay, team. Jay, hi. How are you, Jay? You there, Jay?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Excellent. So, yeah, we are doing again a read aloud program wherein you have to read aloud with me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear to you, Dave? Now,
Yes,
repeat
yes, sir.
after me. Monsieur, repeat after me. Monsieur,
Monsieur,
repeat after
Monsieur,
me. Monsieur, today we will
Monsieur,
read aloud. Repeat after me. Monsieur,
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 Monsieur, we have Mr. and Sir. Literally meaning of Monsieur is Sir and Mr. Repeat after me. Monsieur,
Monsieur,
Monsieur.
because you are doing the language course, right? So over here, it's a very common like Sir, Madam, है ना, Mr. But what to say? Read aloud. Monsieur. Repeat after
Monsieur,
me. Monsieur.
Monsieur,
Monsieur,
Madame. Repeat after me. Madame.
Madame,
Madame,
Madame is Mrs. and Madam. Repeat after me. Monsieur. Repeat after me.
Monsieur,
Monsieur. Madame.
Monsieur,
Madame.
Monsieur,
Madame,
Madame.
Madame,
Madame. Now over here, we already have done one sound which is OI. You know OI sound is what in French?
Yes, sir.
OI sound is wa in French. Is it clear to you, बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
So team, OI sound is wa. Repeat after me. OI sound is wa in French. So
Y sound is Y in French.
yes, and E sound is in French. Repeat
E
after me.
sound is Y sound in French.
Is
देखो OI sound is wa in French. Repeat after me. OI
OI sound is Y in French.
wa in French, and E sound is in French. Is it clear to
E
you?
sound is Y in French.
So that is, and A sound is what? A sound is
Ah,
ah.
Ah,
A sound is ah.
ah,
So repeat after me, team. OI sound is wa in French.
ah.
OI sound is Y in French.
E sound is a. Repeat
E
after
sound
me.
is
E sound is
A sound is ah. Is it clear to
A
you?
sound is ah.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is mademoiselle. How to pronounce this? Bolo. Because A is a, mad, moi, OI is wa, mademoiselle. Repeat after me.
Mademoiselle,
Mademoiselle.
Mademoiselle is miss. So repeat after me.
Mademoiselle,
Bolo मेरे साथ आप. Monsieur,
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 madame,
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 madame. Repeat after me. Monsieur,
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 monsieur, madame,
Madame,
mademoiselle. Repeat after me. Mademoiselle.
Mademoiselle,
Repeat after me.
Mademoiselle,
Monsieur,
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 Monsieur.
madame, and mademoiselle. Is it clear to your team? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Repeat after me. Monsieur, we have Mr. Repeat after me. Monsieur, we have Mr.
Monsieur,
Okay.
Mr.
Madame. Madame,
Madame,
we have Madam. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Madame, we have
yes,
Madam, and Mrs. also. If we have, a feminine version, okay. If we have a feminine version, okay, that is Madame. Okay. So, Monsieur, we have Mr. Madame, we have Mrs. and Madam. Clear? And Mademoiselle is Miss. So repeat after me. Bonjour, 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 madame. Repeat after me, please.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, bonjour, madame. It means
bonjour, Madame,
bonjour is hello and hi. Repeat after me. Bonjour is hello and hi. So team, repeat after me. Bonjour, 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 madame. Repeat after me, please.
bonjour, Madame,
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, bonjour, madame.
bonjour,
Bonjour,
Madame,
bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, monsieur. Now repeat after me, please. Bonjour, 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 madame. Repeat after me, please.
Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour.
Madame. Bonjour, 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 monsieur. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Madam, hi, how are you, madam? Gagan ma'am, how are you? Hello, can you hear me, ma'am? Okay. So, let me explain to you, ma'am. We are doing again read aloud, which is a program of day 2, but I cannot hear you.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, that's fine. Yes, now I can hear you. Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
So today we are doing some phonetics in terms of, a normal things which we use in our daily conversation. Now, for example, if I will say Mr., Sir, Madam, Miss, so repeat after me. Monsieur, repeat after me. Monsieur,
Monsieur.
Yes.
yes. Monsieur, we have Mr. and Sir. So, répétez après moi, repeat after me. Monsieur,
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 Madame, repeat after
Madame,
Madame.
Madame. Madame is Madam and Mrs. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. And one thing you have to understand, team, OI sound is wa in French because we are doing the phonetics. So in phonetics, we have OI sound is wa in French. Okay. So repeat after me. OI sound is wa in French.
OI
OI
sound
sound is va in
is
French.
in French.
And littéralement, literally, E sound is a in French. When
E
E
sound
sound
is
is a and A sound is a. So that is how to pronounce this. Mad, moi, because OI sound is wa. Mademoiselle. Repeat after me. Mademoiselle. Repeat after me.
Mademoiselle.
Clear? अब टीम वन बाय वन करके हम रिपीट करेंगे, जिसको मैं बोलूंगा वही बच्चा रिपीट करेगा. ओके, क्लियर? अब हम एक सॉन्ग बनाएंगे इसमें. बेसिकली बॉन्जूर वी हैव मिस्टर, सॉरी, बॉन्जूर वी हैव ग्रीटिंग व्हिच वी हैव, हाय, हेलो. इफ आई विल से हेलो मिस्टर, I will say bonjour monsieur. If I will say hello madam, I can say bonjour madame. If I will say bonjour mademoiselle, bonjour, bonjour mademoiselle, that is hello miss. Is it clear to you team? अब now repeat after me one by one. पहले गगन मैम आप ऐसा बोलना. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour madame. Repeat after me.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour monsieur. बोलो.
Bonjour, 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 monsieur.
Bonjour, 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 mademoiselle. Bonjour,
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 bonjour, bonjour,
bonjour,
mademoiselle.
It means hello, 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 madam. Hello, 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 mister. And hello, 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 miss. Now repeat, Dev. Repeat, please.
bonjour,
Bonjour, bonjour, madame.
bonjour, 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 madame.
Bonjour, 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 monsieur.
Bonjour, 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 monsieur.
Bonjour, 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 mademoiselle.
Bonjour, 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 mademoiselle.
अब जय रिपीट करो बच्चे. Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Bonjour,
mademoiselle.
Is it clear to you, team, all of you? Monsieur, madame, and mademoiselle. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, over here, we have bonsoir. Repeat after me. Bonsoir. Repeat
Bonsoir.
after me. Why soir? Because
OI
OI
sound is
sound
va.
is va. Exactement. Clear? So basically, literally meaning of bon is good. Repeat after me. Bon. Bon. Repeat
Bon.
after me, team.
Bon.
Bon. Bon is good, and soir is evening. Soir is evening.
Soir.
Yes. So
Bonsoir.
bonsoir, whenever we'll combine bonsoir, that is good evening. Bonsoir. Repeat after me, team. Bonsoir.
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 Is good evening, good night. Is it clear to you, team? Tell me,
Yes.
team.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Bonsoir.
Yes. अच्छा हमारे जो इन्फेंट्स होते हैं इन्फेंट राइट इन्फेंट हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं ओम्फों रिपीट आफ्टर मी व्हाई ओम्फों नाउ
En and an sound is on.
यस वेरी गुड प्रभजोत मैम हमने किया था सॉरी गगनजोत मैम हमने
Yes.
किया था en and an sound is on have you
On.
done right
Yes.
so en is on phone because t and s is a consonant right that
Yes.
would be silent at the end is it clear to you, team
Yes.
because how I can get a grip in the language the first I will come to know how to read the language obviously I will come to know vocabularies now repeat after me vocabulary repeat after me
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
vocabulary
Vocabulary.
vocabulary repeat after me.
Vocabulary.
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 Yes literally vocabulary is vocabularies is it clear to you now over here we have enfant repeat after me enfant
Enfant.
enfant we have infants is it
So,
clear
sir, here A won't be A, like on farm.
Enfant.
nah why it's enfant because en is on clear
Yeah. But after
Major.
that A is there, it won't be A.
no why because en is on phonetic of en is on
Okay.
right
Okay, okay. A and N is
Enfant.
correct.
clear
On form.
because the vocab because the phonetic of an is on is it clear to you
Yes.
clear now team one thing you have to understand now parallel we will work on the grammar also right because that only we can participate in the theaters right now for example we have an article of a and the in english we have a and the clear now team one thing you have to understand we have three type of the in french repeat after me la la le repeat after me la la le
Le.
team repeat after
Oh,
me
la,
please
Le,
la
la, le.
le. Repeat after me. So repeat
Le.
after me. We have three type of article in French,
We
which
have three
is
types of
Three
articles.
type of articles in
Three
French.
types of
very good,
articles.
which is la,
Le.
la,
Le,
le.
Le.
Now, what is the difference between la, le? What is that? Team la, because obviously, the French relates with Hindi language, not in English language. Never, jamais, jamais. बोलो jamais. Repeat after me.
Jamais.
कुछ words आपको
Jamais.
मुझे सीखने पड़ेंगे जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Jamais.
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 Jamais is
Jamais.
never. कुछ
Jamais.
words, some words which I will explain to you वैसे ही, so that you'll come to know. Jamais. Never.
Jamais.
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 Never. Language French always relate with English. Never. Jamais. Jamais.
Jamais.
Jamais.
Jamais.
Repeat after me. Anglais. देखो
Jamais.
अभी हम
Anglais.
grammar कर रहे
Anglais.
थे. We were doing the grammar portion, but parallelly, gradually, I said something and we moved on this pattern also. Anglais. Repeat after me. Anglais. Repeat after me.
Anglais.
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 Very important phonetic because an sound is on, ai is a, s would be silent. Team, is it clear to you?
Yes.
So anglais is English. Anglais.
Anglais.
Littéralement, literally, anglais is English in French. Anglais. So team, just for example, if I use in English, मेरा लड़का, मेरी लड़की, मेरे लड़के. So it means we have three type of my. हमने कभी we have a notice. लेकिन आज आप notice करोगे because that's your language Hindi. Dev, you know Hindi, right?
Yes, yes, I know.
Okay. So, but if I compare from English, we have only my. It could be with feminine and masculine, right? And plural, we have my only. But in English, sorry, in Hindi, it is not like that. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Over here in French, the article is based upon my masculine. La stand for masculine article. La stand for feminine article. And le stand for plural article. Is it clear to you, my team? Now, for
Okay.
example, team, I'm saying the boy. Clear? Now, boy is what? Masculine, we have
Masculine.
la.
Le.
Clear? Is it
Le-
garçon? Literally meaning of garçon is boy. And team, we have see, we have opposite C, which we called as sedai in French. I will tell you what is sedai. Abhi sirf aap C, we have a sa sound because we have to create S over here. For this reason, we have a symbol of this C. Team, one thing you have to understand, this C, इस सिंबल को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सेदई, बट अभी नहीं करूंगा मैं, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है कि आप सेदई लर्न करोगे, अभी नहीं. गार्सों, गार्सों इज बॉय. क्लियर टीम? बोलो गार्सों.
Garçon.
गार्सों.
Garçon.
If I will say girl, the girl, so feminine la,
La.
lafi,
La belle.
La.
lafi.
Lafi.
The spelling
Lafi.
of fee is F-I-L-L-E, but this is my phonetic. I cannot say feel, feel. No, I can say fee. Repeat after me. Fee, fee,
Fee.
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 Literalmo, because today we are doing read aloud, and you will understand the how to pronounce the word in French. La fille. Repeat after me, team. La.
La fille.
La fille.
Clear to you, team? Clear? Le garçon. If I will say a lot of boys, for example, the boys, I can say les garçons.
Les garçons.
And obviously, we have to insert S at the end because we have a plural. Clear, team? If I will say the girls, lot of girls, I can say les is my plural and F-I-L-L-E-S. And over here also we have fee because S would be silent. So les filles, la fille. So repeat after
La
me.
fille.
Repeat after me, please. Le garçon, the boy.
Le
La-
garçon.
Le
Le
garçon.
The boy. Clear?
boy.
La fille.
La fille.
La fille.
La
That
fille.
is the girl.
The
Clear?
The
girl.
girl.
Les garçons.
Les
Les
Garçons
garçons.
is my boys. The boys we have les garçons. Clear?
Les
Les
garçons.
garçons.
Clear, team? So team,
Yes.
now you came to know we have three type of this thing. Articles. Le, la, le. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to you, Jay? Gagan,
Yes,
your
sir.
friend? Dave, is it clear
Yes.
to you? Clear? So team, now for example, because obviously I will explain to you a lot of things over here. If I will say the man, what to say man in French? Repeat after me,
Um.
om. One thing you have to understand, because we are doing phonetics over here, team, starting of H would be silent always. If your word, pen down please. In French, if your word is starting from H, that would be silent. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Now, for example, if I will say the man, I can say le homme. But team, one thing you have to understand over here, H we called as vowel in French. Clear? It is not vowel. I will give the direction how it comes a vowel. Because whenever I pronounce H, clear team,
Yes,
the
sir.
sound of H is om. Why? Because see, because I'm not pronouncing H, I am pronouncing O. For this reason, we count H as a vowel. So one thing you have to understand, H, we call as vowel in French. हम उसको count करते हैं vowel में. Why? Because team, this is a rule and there's a formula. If your word is ending from a consonant, like LE is ending from a consonant, sorry, ending from a vowel, clear? If a word is ending from a vowel, like L, E is ending from a vowel, team, tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
And immediately your next word is starting from a vowel, like H, clear? So
Yes.
repeat after me. If the word is ending from a vowel, clear? And immediatmo, I'm using immediatmo. Repeat after me. Immediatmo. Repeat after me, team. Immediatmo.
Immediately.
Immediatmo.
यहाँ पे over
Immediately.
here you learn the language with me. Immediatmo. You will learn
Immediately.
Immediatmo.
standard pattern of A1, A2, B1, B2. Immediatmo, we have vocab for B1, but doesn't matter. You will get it today only. Immediatmo is immediately. Why
Immediately.
immediatmo? Because E के ऊपर we have a A sound. En sound is O. T would be silent. Repeat after me. Immediatmo. Repeat after me.
Immediatmo.
Immediately.
Immediate.
Immediatmo is
Immediately.
immediately,
Immediate.
right? But
Immediately.
we are doing over here two things. Now, for example, you have a word which is ending from a vowel, and your next word which is starting from a vowel. Clear? Now, for example, let me write it down one more time. For example, team, if your word is ending from a vowel and the next word is starting from a vowel, in that case, you have to eliminate first vowel. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
And it will be, the symbol would be the vowel we have deleted, it will be count as a apostrophe. L'apostrophe. We call it French l'apostrophe. It means l'homme. Is it clear to your team?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So we have the man, l'homme. Clear, team?
Yeah. So, sir, H is not a vowel because of O is there. That's
H
right.
we called as a vowel in French. Clear?
Okay.
Clear? H we called as vowel in French. Clear? Okay. Clear?
So then you mean to say that if you have two words and the first word is ending with a vowel like E,
Mhm.
and the second word is starting with a vowel again H.
Yes.
So one vowel,
Vowel will
first
be
word is going to be deleted.
eliminate
All right.
and will count as a apostrophe
All right.
and will combine the sound lom. I can say la
Lom.
I can combine the sound lom. अब
Lom.
मैंने एक verb use किया eliminate English में. Team देखो how you will learn the concept of TEF, how you will learn the concept of B1, B2, A1, A2. मतलब how we can do the parallel programs, because the things we are doing parallel programs like la la le article, that's a very base. But over here I want to give it to you the meaning of eliminate in French. Delete, what to say delete in French, what to say eliminate in French. This is your TEF. Is it clear to you? And obviously you will learn that I'm using obviously, what to say obviously in French, so that at least you will count some words. What to say count in French? Then you will count some words. What to say words in French? So whatever we are, doing, whatever we are using the language in English, I will explain to you in French also. And it's a very beautiful pattern which we'll work on. Now, for example, repeat after me. Eliminate. Very simple. Eliminate. Very simple.
Eliminate.
Eliminate. Now over
Eliminate.
here we have E sound is A. So over here we have a direction like that. We have done the direction, team, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Eliminate.
Prabjot ma'am, sorry,
Yes.
I forgot your name.
Yes. Gaganjot.
So eliminate. Jay, is it clear to you,
Eliminate.
bache?
Yes, sir.
So over here I'm using eliminate, which is eliminate. Repeat after
Eliminate.
me. Eliminate.
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 Now we will play with the synonyms. Now, for example, if because from the day one, we'll pick the pattern of TEF. Now, for example, you want to clear IELTS. What you required? You required a, synonyms. You will do the practice from the day one of IELTS, right? Same we are doing over here. We are picking a portion of grammar. We are picking the portion of very basic like bonsoir, bonjour, and over here we are picking the portion of good vocabularies also. Clear, team? And if you feel the session, if you feel maybe going forward, the session is getting heavy, you can stop me in between, right? So eliminate is to eliminate. Clear? Now over here, I will give you one vocab of eliminate, which is very important vocab of B2. लिखोगे आप यहाँ पे eliminate is my vocab of B1. Pen down, please.
Okay.
One more vocab, which is supreme. Repeat after me, team. Supreme. Repeat after me. Supreme.
Supreme.
Is
Supreme.
lead to eliminate. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Because team, from the very day 1, day 2, day 3, I want you to grab some portion. अब I'm saying, क्योंकि आपको बस मेरे साथ बोलना है. What I'm saying in French, क्योंकि gradually, in the next 7 days, next 8 days, you will speak after me in French. I want this thing. Now, for example, I'm saying obviously, and don't use obviously now in English. Use évidemment. Repeat after me.
Évidemment.
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 Now I'm showing évidemment. That is E. We have a symbol which is évidemment. Évidemment is obviously. Évidemment. Obviously. Repeat after me, team. Count. Compter is my verb to count. COMPTER. Compter. Compter is my verb to count. Clear, team? Words. More. 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 We have words. Akshar. More. Why more? Because team T and S is a consonant that will be silent. So repeat after me. Eliminate.
Éliminer.
Supreme.
Supprimer.
Évidemment.
Évidemment.
Damo.
Compter.
Compter.
More.
Mot.
Oh.
More.
Repeat after me. Gaganjot ma'am, पहले आप repeat करिए please.
Eliminate. Supreme. Évidemment. Compter.
Yes.
More.
Over here we have a typing error because évidemment we have a double M, which it was a type because the moment we type, so there will be a typing error sometimes. So évidemment stand for double M. Okay. Évidemment.
Évidemment.
Yes. Repeat after me. Évidemment supreme. Now je repeat करो बच्चे. Éliminer.
Éliminer.
Supprimer.
Supprimer. Évidemment.
Compter.
Compter. Mot.
Now Dev, repeat करो please.
Eliminer. Supprimer. Évidemment. Compter. Mot.
Repeat after me. Immédiatement. Repeat after
Immédiatement.
me. Immédiatement.
Immédiatement.
That is
Immediately.
immediately.
Immediate.
Team, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear, team? Made up this, team?
Yes.
Now, repeat after me, team. हम कुछ normal sense पे भी जाएंगे. So, for example, we have weekdays because पहले हम प्रोग्राम को पिक कर रहे हैं, right? A1, A2, B1, B2 की vocab को हम पिक कर रहे हैं सबसे पहले. So, repeat after me. Lundi. Repeat after me. Lundi. Mardi.
Lundi.
Repeat after me. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. It
Lundi,
means we are doing
Lundi. Mardi.
for Monday.
Mercredi.
Lundi stands for Monday. Mahdi stands for Tuesday. Is it clear to you, my team?
All right.
Is it clear to you? Repeat after me. Lundi,
Lundi.
Mahdi. Repeat after me. Mahdi,
Mardi.
mercredi.
Mercredi.
Repeat after me. Lundi is Monday.
Lundi
Tuesday
is
is
Monday.
Mahdi.
Monday.
Monday.
Mercredi. Repeat after me,
Mercredi.
team.
Mercredi.
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 Mercredi is Wednesday. Jeudi. Jeudi is Thursday. Jeudi is
Thursday.
Jeudi.
Now repeat after me, team. Lundi,
Thursday.
Lundi.
Lundi. Monday.
mardi,
Mardi,
mercredi, jeudi,
mercredi,
vendredi.
mercredi,
Repeat after
Jeudi.
me.
Vendredi.
Samedi,
Samedi.
Samedi.
dimanche.
Dimanche.
Pattern, team, you came to know. Gradually we pick sometimes B1, B2. and gradually we come on the pattern of A1 because we have to cover the portion gradually. अब मैं use कर रहा हूँ grasp, grasp. This is my B2 vocab, which is saisir. Repeat after me, saisir. Saisir is a
Saisir.
verb to hold, to grasp. Is it clear to you, team?
Saisir.
Saisir.
Yes, sir.
Saisir is my verb to grab. We have single S, sorry. Saisir is my verb to grasp, to hold, to grab. Saisir. Now, team, saisir is my vocabulary to my B2 and C1. Saisir. B2 vocab. Because I'm saying grab it out. Now I will not say grab. I will say saisir. So that you will come to know. Saisir, saisir. And I will not say grab. I will say saisir. Clear?
Saisir.
Now saisir. Knowingly I'm using saisir. Landi, mardi, mekrdi. Repeat after me.
Lundi, mardi, mekredi,
Yadi, montredi,
jadi,
samdi,
wantedi,
repeat after me.
samedi,
Landi, mardi, mekredi,
Yadi,
yadi, wantedi, samdi, dimanche. Repeat after me, team. Please, repeat, please.
mardi,
Mardi, mekredi,
mekredi,
yadi,
jadi,
wantedi, samdi,
wantedi,
dimanche. Is it clear to
samedi,
you?
dimanche.
Dimanche.
टीम आपको
Dimanche.
क्लियर? टीम बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल पैटर्न है ये. Now, for example, you say see you on Monday, see you on Tuesday, see you on Wednesday, see you on Thursday. You do in English? Tell me.
Yes.
What to say in French? बहुत simple. A, repeat after me. A,
A,
lundi,
Lundi.
littéralement, literally, a lundi is see you on Monday. Sense of the language. Tuesday, a mardi. If I will say, okay, see you on Tuesday, I will say a mardi.
a mardi,
Now, for example, we are on Friday. And on Friday,
a
I will say,
vendredi,
if I want, now, for example, we are running Friday. The day of Friday we are running with, right? And I will say, okay, see you on Monday because Saturday, Sunday we have off. I can say, okay, see you on Monday. So I will say, a lundi. Is it clear to you, team? It means see you on Monday. So repeat after me. A lundi, see you on Monday. A mardi, see you on Tuesday. A mercredi, see you on Wednesday. A jeudi, see you on Thursday. Is it clear to you, team? Tell me yes and no.
yes, sir.
Now, ma'am, please इसको repeat करें आप. See you on blah blah Monday to Sunday. Repeat it, please.
All right. A lundi, a mahdi, a makhardi, a jindi, a vendredi,
Consonant.
wandredi, a samdi, a dimanche.
Exactly. जय बच्चे repeat करो.
A lundi, a mardi, a mercredi,
Mercredi.
mercredi, a jeudi, a vendredi, a samedi, a dimanche.
Yes. Dev repeat करो please. Cuckoo. Dev, you there? Hello. Dev, you're on mute.
Okay, sorry. A lundi, a makdi, a makradi, a zadi, a vondradi, a samedi, a dimanche.
Exactly. अब I'm saying exactly. Don't use exactly.
No.
Exactement.
Exactement.
Exactement. Because ये एक portion है team. This is a portion wherein you will learn the language. Clear? Now, for example, team. Now, team will do some pronouns like what to say, I, what to say he in French, what to say you in French. Now repeat after me because very important pattern now we have grammar portion. We jump on the grammar portion. Now repeat after me. Je is to I. Repeat after me. Je is to
Je
I.
is to I.
Je is to I.
Tu is to you informal.
Tu is to you informal.
Now this relate to my Hindi language because in Hindi we have tu and up, in English we have you. It could be a formal, it could be informal, right? But it's not like English, it is like Hindi. So like Hindi, we have chew, that is you
Chew.
informal. Clear. Now repeat after me. Sure is to I. Repeat after me.
Sure is
Sure.
to I.
Sure is to I.
Chew is to you informal.
Chew is to
You
you
is
informal.
informal you.
Ill is to he.
Ill
Ill
is to
is to
he.
he.
L is to she.
L is to
L
she.
is to she.
No is to we.
No is to we.
Woo is to you. You is my
Who is
formal.
to you.
That woo is my formal. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
So
sir.
Q is to you informal and woo is to you formal. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And we have they. Ab they can be my lot of boys and they can be my lot of girls. So in English, we add on SS with the plural. Over here, we have same thing. ILS can be a lot of boys and ELLES with a lot of girls, but S would not be pronounced. I can say ill and L only. Is it clear to your team? So repeat after me, team. Je is to I.
Sure is
Sure
to
is to
I.
I.
Tu is to you informal.
Chew
Chew
is to
is
you
to
informal.
you.
Ill is to he.
Ill
Ill
is
is
to
to
he.
he.
L is to she.
L
L
is to
is to
she.
she.
No is to we.
No
Who
is
is
to
to
we.
we.
Woo is to you formal.
Who
Who is
is
to you
formal.
formal.
Ill is to he plural. L is to L plural. She plural. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
All of you, is it clear to your team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Up team, you know what? देखो हिंदी is your language और आपने you never guess. अब जैसे for example, did you guess जब आप हिंदी सीख रहे थे? Did you guess this thing? Like for example, we have verb पढ़ना, खाना, पीना. These are verbs. But in English, we have verb is eat. Clear? If I will say I eat, you eat, he, she eats, we eat, no. We eat, they eat. My eat is common. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
क्या हिंदी में कॉमन रहता है ये चीज? टेल मी यस एंड नो. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल हिंदी में खाना, तो मैं के साथ क्या लगाता हूं? मैं खाना खाता हूं. हिंदी में क्या है? खाना खाना. चलो, वी हैव इन हिंदी वी हैव खाना खाना. क्लियर? खाना खाना. क्लियर? But if I will take my subject with I, मतलब मैं in Hindi, I can say मैं खाना खाता हूं. मैं खाना खाना हूं क्यों नहीं करता हूं? फिर मैं लगाता हूं if it is girl, वह खाना खाती है, तो मैं अपनी एंडिंग चेंज क्यों कर रहा हूं? बट इंग्लिश में तो एंडिंग चेंज है ही नहीं है. गेस हुआ आपको? Now for example, चलो पढ़ना करते हैं. चलो खाना थोड़ा टफ लग रहा है आपको. पढ़ना, PADANA, पढ़ना. And पढ़ना is to study in English. If I will say I study, you study, he, she studies, we study, they study, study is common. But in Hindi, is it common? मैं पढ़ना हूं. Is it right Hindi or सही Hindi? Tell me. Oh, sorry, गलत Hindi.
Wrong.
गलत हिंदी
Why
से.
wrong? Tell me. When study is study, right? Study is not change in English. Why over here ना हटा के ता लगाता हूं? मैं पढ़ता हूं, तू पढ़ती है. Why वे पढ़ते हैं? अगेन यहाँ पे मैं चेंज कर रहा हूं. कभी आपने चीज गैस करी? बाय हार्ट किया ना? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
फ्रेंच में भी टीम आपकी एंडिंग चेंज होती है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू टीम? नाउ फॉर
Yes,
एग्जांपल,
sir.
we have verb ale. ALLER. Repeat after me, team. Ale. Team,
Ale.
repeat
Ale.
after me.
Ale.
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 Ale is my verb to go. क्लियर? और इन चीजों को आपको बहुत कम वर्ब्स हैं जो आपको बाय हार्ट लर्न करनी है. सभी के अपने फॉर्मूलेज हैं सभी वर्ब्स के और बहुत सिंपल हैं. बट कुछ कुछ वर्ब्स हैं जो आपको बाय हार्ट करनी है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव वर्ब आले. आले इज माय वर्ब टू गो. क्लियर?
Yes.
I cannot say I go is je ale. No, I cannot say. It is not English. समझ आ रहा है टीम? जैसे हिंदी में ऐसा नहीं होता, ऐसे इंग्लिश फ्रेंच में भी नहीं होगा. Is it clear to your team?
Okay.
Yes.
सेंस गेस किया आपने जो मैं हिंदी में क्यों आपको मैंने पहले एक्सप्लेन किया, सो दैट यू विल कम टू नो कि हिंदी में भी नहीं होता है ऐसे. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So repeat after me. Ale is converted into VAIS. Literally. Ale is my full verb to go. Padhna is my full verb to go. I cannot say मैं पढ़ना हूँ. I say मैं पढ़ता हूँ. So team, in French we have a totally different ending. Je vais is to I go. Repeat after me. Je vais
Jave is to I go.
go. Tu vas is to you go. Over here we have VAIS. Then we have VAS. जैसे ना पढ़ना, पढ़ता, पढ़ किया है. ऐसे आपको ये समझना है. Chuva is to you go. Repeat after me. Chuva.
Tuva is to you go.
Chuva is to
Chuva is to you go.
Jave is to I go. Repeat after me.
Jave is to
Jave
I
is to
go.
I
Jave is
go.
to I go.
Ale is my full verb to go. Clear?
Ale is my full verb to go.
The movement will add on. I go, you go. Repeat after me. Jave. Jave.
Jave,
Jave,
Chuva. Chuva.
Tuve,
Chuva,
Il elva.
Il Elva,
Elva,
She goes.
Il Elva,
Il Elva.
Il elva. दिख रहा है आपको? सेंस क्या है? पढ़ना, ता लग गया, ती लग गया और ते लग गया, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ इस वे से चल रहा है हमारा. So Jave is to I go. Chuva
Jave is to I go.
I go.
Jave is to I go.
is to you go.
Tuva is to you go.
Chuva is to you go.
Goes Ilva. She goes Elva. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
Nous allons. Team repeat करो आप. Nous
Nous
allons.
allons.
Nous allons.
नू के साथ हमारा ये आपको एंडिंग समझना पड़ेगा टीम. इसका प्रैक्टिस करना है हमें. One thing you have to understand, team. Whenever you have a consonant ending like S, any word is ending from a consonant, and a next word is starting from a vowel. Any word, अभी हमने किया था vowel किया था कि any word is ending from a vowel and next word is starting from a vowel. We have to combine. We have to eliminate one thing, right?
Yes.
But over here we have any word is ending from a consonant, right? And the next word is starting from a vowel. In that case, I have to combine the sound. Nous allons. Repeat after me. Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Literally meaning of nous allons is we go. Vous allez. Repeat after me, team. Vous allez.
Vous allez.
Why vous allez, which is you go, because vous a combine ale. Ale is to ale. Vous allez. Ez ending is you go in terms of formal, and il, l plural, vont, vont, they go. Team, ये एक verb है जो बहुत important verb है. My French is based upon ale verb. बहुत सारे cases में हम ale verb लगाते हैं. जैसे I'm going to do that. I will explain to later on. But अभी I understand. It might happen you face a difficulty like what is that? But हमें इसको pen down कर करके इसको revision करनी है. Repeat after me. Ale is my verb to go. Repeat after me, team.
Ale is my verb to go.
So the moment I will use ale verb with I go, you go. Repeat after me. Jave is to I go.
Jave is to I go.
Chua is to you go.
Tuva is to
Tuva
you
is
go.
to
Il
You go.
elva is to he she goes.
Il Elva is to
Il
he she
Elva.
goes.
Nous allons is to we go.
Nous allons is to we go.
Vous allez is to you go.
Vous allez is to you go.
And elles vont is to they go. Is
Il
it?
elles vont is to they go.
Repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Aller is my verb to go. Repeat after me. Repeat 5
Ale
times.
is my verb to
One
go.
by one. First we start from ma'am. Gaganjot ma'am. You have to repeat 5 times these verbs. Repeat after me. कैसे? वैसे ही. Je vais, tu vas, il elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils elles vont. Repeat after me. Je vais,
Jave,
tu vas,
Jave,
tu vas,
Tuva,
il elle va,
Tuva,
il elle va,
El Elva, Il Elva,
nous allons,
nous allons,
vous allez,
vous allez,
ils elles vont.
ils elles vont.
अब repeat after me. Je vais is to I go. Repeat after me.
Jave is to I go.
Tu vas is to you go.
Tuva is to you go.
Il elle va is to he she goes.
Il, elwa is he, she, go.
Nous allons is to we go.
Nous allons is to Nous allons is to you go.
We go.
We
Vous
go.
allez is to you go.
Vous allez is you go.
Elles vont is to they go.
Il, elles vont is they go.
Now repeat after me, Dev.
Yeah.
Je vais, tu vas.
Je
Repeat after
vais, tu
Je
vas,
vais, tu vas. Il va, nous allons,
elle va,
nous allons, vous
nous
allez.
allons, vous
Ils
allez,
vont.
elles vont.
ऐसे कुछ रिवाइज करना है. देव जय बोलो. Je vais, tu vas.
Je vais, tu vas.
Il va.
Il va.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Vous allez.
Vous allez.
elles vont.
Elles vont.
So team आले वर्ब फॉरगेट नहीं करना है. क्लियर? समझ आ रहा है आपको टीम? ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, sir.
देव, इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yeah, it's very clear.
गगनजोत मैम,
Yes, yes.
अब मैंने एक वर्ब यूज किया भूलना नहीं है. व्हाट टू से भूलना इन इंग्लिश?
Forget.
So what to say in French? Repeat after me. Oublier. Whatever I'm
Oublier.
using in English, I will give you those verbs. Oublier. Repeat after me. Oublier.
Oublier.
Grammatically, we are doing grammar, we are doing pronunciation, we are doing articles, we are doing verbs, we are doing, obviously, because we have to capture the formation of French. Clear? Repeat after me. Oublier. Repeat after me.
Oublier.
Repeat after me. Oublier.
Oublier.
Oublier is my verb to forget. Is it clear to your team?
Yes.
Over here, I use one vocab in English to use. Use the vocabulary. Use the vocabulary. Now I will not speak in English. Few words. अब आपको पता है कि what to say vocabulary in French? Vocabulaire.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Clear?
Vocabulary.
What to say use. यहाँ से अब आपको मेरी फ्रेंच समझ आएगी और आप उसको बोलोगे. यहाँ से अब आप मेरे साथ बोलोगे फ्रेंच. To use is utilité.
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 Now I will use utiliser le vocabulaire. अब बहुत सारी vocabularies हैं. The vocabularies. So we have le, la, le. Tell me team.
Les vocabulaire.
Les vocabulaire.
So now I will not speak in English. I will say use the if I say use vocabulary, use the vocabularies. Now you came to know what to say use. Now you came to know what to say vocabularies. Now what you say is article because the lot of vocabularies to le. So utiliser les vocabulaire. Repeat after me.
Utiliser les vocabulaire.
Now maintenant. I will not use now. अब मैं now use नहीं करूंगा. मैं now बहुत use कर रहा हूँ. Now अभी now. Maintenant. Repeat after me. Maintenant.
Maintenant.
Tongue has to be used to the language. Now repeat after me. Maintenant. Repeat after me.
Maintenant.
Maintenant is now. Maintenant.
Maintenant.
अगर मैं अब बोलूं आपको कि now you use the vocabularies. I will speak in French only. Maintenant, utilisez les vocabulaires.
Maintenant, utilisez le vocabulaire.
Yes. इस वे से हम चलेंगे जहां पे आपका एक लैंग्वेज में होल्ड मिलेगा. आपको होल्ड मिलेगा. I will not use hold. What I will say? Saisir.
Saisir.
Is it clear to your team? Gradually, you will pick C1, you will pick C2, you will pick B2, B1, A2, A1, and base of the language. बिल्कुल ABCD वाला भी हम करेंगे. Is it clear to your team?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So les vocabulaire maintenant. अब आप yes sir नहीं बोलोगे. क्या बोलोगे? Oui monsieur.
Oui, monsieur.
Now
Oui, monsieur.
जैसे क्या होता है हमारा जो सेशन है, जो हमारा हम जो सेशन चला रहे हैं, राइट? In session में team, I'm trying my best to give you a starting word so that you will only speak in French. Oui, monsieur. Oui, literally, littéralement.
Oui,
Literally,
monsieur.
oui is yes. OUI sound is we. The sound
Oui.
of OUI is we, and literally OUI sound is we. And to say what to say OUI in English? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
We monsieur.
We,
We
Okay.
must-
monsieur.
Don't say okay. Bolo d'accord. Bolo team.
D'accord.
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 Accordé. Accord. Accord. D'accord. D'accord is okay.
D'accord.
D'accord. Is it
D'accord.
to you? Say clair.
D'accord.
Say clair, team. I'm saying say clair.
Claire.
Say
Claire.
clair. It is clear to you.
Clair.
Say
Say
clair.
clair.
Clair. Clair.
Clair.
It is clear to you.
Claire.
You say
Clair.
yes, clear. आप नहीं बोलोगे yes, clear. You will say we
We
clair.
clear.
We
We
clair.
clear.
Be clear.
Okay, my team. Is it
We.
clear to you? Say clair. We clair. Utilisez
We
le
clair.
vocabulaire maintenant. Maintenant.
Maintenant.
Maintenant.
Is it clear to you? Say clair, team. Okay.
We monsieur.
We
Clear?
clear.
Oui, monsieur.
Very good. Say très bien. Very good. अब मैं very good को English में
bien.
बोलूँगा. Très bien.
Très
Repeat
bien.
after me. Très bien.
Très
Très
bien.
bien is very good. Très bien. Excellent. Repeat after me. Excellent.
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 You will
Excellent.
write like English only. Excellent.
Très,
Excellent.
très bien.
Excellent. Repeat after me.
Excellent.
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 Excellent. Excellent. Is it clear to you, my
Excellent.
team? Agréable. Repeat after me, team. Agréable. Repeat after me, team. Agréable.
Agréable.
After me. Agréable and excellent is one and the same thing. Agréable we use for nice. Nice. Agréable. तो मैं अब नहीं बोलूँगा nice. मैं wow, very good, nice. I will say très bien, excellent, agréable. बोलो team. Très bien.
Agréable.
Très bien,
Agréable.
excellent, agréable. ये हमारे कहीं ना कहीं synonyms catch कर रही हैं ना आपस में. Très bien, excellent, agréable. Is it clear to you,
Agréable.
team? Is it
Agréable.
team clear हो रहा है आपको?
Oui, monsieur.
Very good. Say très bien, excellent. Say excellent, excellent, très bien.
Excellent.
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 Très bien, excellent. Clear, clair.
Obvious.
देखो ना कितनी चीजें इंग्लिश में है जो मैं फ्रेंच में बोल रहे हैं हम. मैं बोलूँ वेरी गुड, très bien, excellent, excellent, exactement, exactly, क्योंकि ये तो हम यूज करते ही है ना, डेली यही यूज करते हैं ना. क्या बोलता हूँ मैं? ओके यस, आप पूछोगे मैं यस एग्जैक्टली, वी exactement.
Exactly.
से yes exactly. आपने see you ask some question, I will say yes yes exactly. हम कितना यूज कर रहे हैं उसको हम फ्रेंच में यूज करेंगे so that कि टंग एक बार यूज टू बने लैंग्वेज के साथ. We exactement. Repeat after me. We exactement. Yes.
We
yes.
exactement.
We exactement.
We exactement. Yes exactly. Say clair. मैं इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहता हूँ. It is
We.
clear to you, but I will not speak in English. Say clair. Is it clear to you? Say clair.
We
Clair.
monsieur.
Claire.
Yes. Parler. Parler is to speak. Parler en langue française.
Parler. Parler.
Parler en langue française. Repeat after me, team. Parler en langue française. Speak.
Parler.
On long français.
Parler is to
Parler en non français.
on is
Parler on long français.
exactly. On is in. On is in. Long is language. Long. Long.
Long.
Repeat after me. Long. Français
Long.
is
Long.
French. Speak in language French. We exactement parler en langue française. आप टीम में साथ बोलो. We exactement
Oui, exactement.
We exactement.
parler en langue française.
Parler
Parler
Parler en
langue
langue
en
française.
langue français.
Maintenant, utilisez le vocabulaire.
Maintenez long.
Maintenant, utiliser
Les
Le
vocabulaire.
vocabulaire.
D'accord, ok, d'accord, ok.
D'accord. D'accord.
D'accord.
D'accord.
D'accord.
D'accord.
देखो टीम कितनी चीजें हैं, lot of things जो हम डेली यूज करते हैं. Yes, exactly, speaking language French, okay. Utilize some vocabularies. जैसे you're a teacher, for example, what to say? Utilize some vocabularies. What to say in French? Now here you came to know things. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
Oui, monsieur.
Practice कैसे करना है आपको? How you do practice? Entire session is under recording and you have to watch the recordings 3 times, 4 times daily and you'll get a hold. Don't you think so? If you listen those recordings 3 and 4 times, you'll get some hold gradually. Tell me, team.
We monsieur.
D'accord.
Claire.
We exactly
Claire.
Exactement.
clear.
Exactement.
Team, now share your feedback. Session heavy to nahi ho raha, team. Tell me, please.
No monsieur.
सेशन को हम आगे और बढ़ाएं या कैसे करना है टीम, या इसका पहले प्रैक्टिस करोगे या रिकॉर्डिंग भेजो? टेल मी टीम, मुझे प्लीज अपने फीडबैक बताओ, अदरवाइज मैं फिर आगे करवाता हूँ, बिकॉज आई नीड योर इनिशिएटिव इन दिस केस. इफ यू फील सेशन इज हैवी, हमें पहले प्रैक्टिस करना है, so I can share the recording of today's session. Now tell me please.
So
Can-
share the recording.
Share the recording, sir.
Share the recording. Great. No problem. So what I'm going to do is now team, अब आपका task क्या होगा? Your task would be you have to submit your voice. Is it clear to you?
Oui,
Oui,
monsieur.
monsieur.
Clear? अब मैं कह रहा हूँ submit your voice. What do they submit in French? बोलो soumettre.
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 Soumettre is to submit. Repeat after me. Soumettre.
Soumettre.
Repeat after me, team. Soumettre. Soumettre
Soumettre.
is to submit. Is it clear to you, my team? Soumettre.
Oui, monsieur.
Oui, monsieur.
Submit the
monsieur.
task. The task. Tash. Repeat
Tash.
after me. Tash.
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 Tash. We have task. Tash.
Tash.
Tash. We have task. Tash. Is it clear to you, my team?
Oui,
Oui,
Don't
monsieur.
monsieur.
oublier. Oublier. Is it clear to you? Clear, बच्चों? Is it clear to you, my team? बच्चों, is it clear to you? All of you?
Claire, Claire.
Claire.
Clear?
Claire.
So now, team, entire thing. Now you have to watch the recording. See, exactly. This is reality. If you watch those recordings 3 and 4 times, right, and you will pen down the entire vocab again, and you will submit your voice, you will get a touch in the language. Definitely that for sure. Clear, team? So let's hope for the best, team. We'll meet you tomorrow at same time, but I need your voice recording. Can you send it back to me, team?
Yes, sir. Oh, oui, monsieur.
Chalo. Au revoir. À bientôt. See you. See you.
Au
Kal is
revoir.
what? See you is what? Thursday or Friday? Kal is what? Kal is Friday.
Jeudi. Jeudi.
How
Yeah.
can
So if we I will say no, kal is Thursday. If I will say see you on
Thursday.
Thursday, what I would say, Ajadi,
À jeudi.
À jeudi.
Jadi.
À jeudi.
Claire,
À jeudi.
say Claire, team. Is
Claire,
it?
Claire.
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 Okay. Au revoir. À bientôt, team. Au revoir. Bye bye.
Oh.
Ajadi. See you on Thursday.
Ajadi.
Okay. Bye bye.